Now turn a little, Phoenix.
Where's Maria?
She probably went back. Man, great job, Phoenix! Or just point it and go straight.
Taylor, stay on the left and it's a little steeper. Alright, Taylor, that's enough. You're going to get up speed now.
Turn, Phoenix. Or not.
Oh my gosh.
Straight off Adolph. Practice. There you go. I got you, little boy. Nice. We got to go around. Let's go get the board.
Without you going on your shoulder.
Okay, let's do that. Follow Grandma.
Taylor, make a french fry. Go fast.
Now turn a little, Phoenix. Turn a little bit. There you go. Sweet. Power slide. Nice slide, bud. Who's next? It's Phoenix and Cousins. Let's see those French fries. Let's see those French fries. Go across. Just go across the hill, Sailor. That'll slow you down. Cross the mountain.
Okay, now go french fry a little bit. Straighten them up a little. Perfect.
Now go to your right, Phoenix. That's it. Hop it where you want to go. On your heels.
There you go. Oh my goodness.
Go catch Phoenix.
My goodness.
French fries. Me and Phoenix going on the magic carpet ride.
It's right over there.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on, buckle. Release.
Down the slope. Remember I said keep lifting.
Let go. Good run. Here, I'll give you the whip. Ready?
Poppy, are you gonna do this with?
You're doing it. Keep those knees bent, just like on the skateboard. Now turn sideways when you want to stop. You're good. Do booty slide if you want. Booty slide, booty slide. Perfect. Bravo.
And
That was awesome.
please.
You didn't even know you could ride that far. Now scooch you up there. Oocha scooch. Oocha scooch. I will. Like that. Good. Good. Boy, Papaw's gonna be impressed. Stay on your heels. Good. That's good. Excellent. Ah.
Why you have it on you?
There.
Oh,
All
why
right.
she's going?
And then we'll go up and see where Griff is. So knowing you can do something. Because now you braved it up and went. Because before you were riding with Papa,